Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove multiple accounts on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, first of all, open up your Facebook app and let's go ahead and go to the profile. So what you need to do is if you want to remove multiple accounts, you have to simply go ahead and log out from the one that you are in. Then tap on three horizontal line. And then you will find your profiles right over here when you see these little icons. And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead tap on this three dot beside the profile. And you're going to tap on remove profile if you have multiple logged in. That's all you have to do. But you do have to make sure that you're logged on from the one that you would like to remove. Because if you're logged in with the one that you would like to remove, you will see the other profiles but not the one you would like to remove. Make sure you're logged in with the one you want to remove. And then you can log out later and then tap on this three dot beside the account and tap on remove profile and you're good to go. That's all you have to do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.